Microchip ang tawag sa mga napakaliliit na bagay na siyang nagpapagana sa mga computers, pati na sa mga robot. Napakarami na nitong gamit ngayon sa ating pang-araw-araw na buhay. At hindi na lang sa mga makina ikinakabit, kundi pati na rin sa mga hayop at sa tao mismo. Mga robot, high-tech computers, portable media players, touchscreen cellphone, mga techie gadgets na usong-uso ngayon. Lahat ng ito, pinapagana lang ng maliit na bagay na makikita sa loob nito, ang microchip. Pero ngayon, hindi na lang sa mga makina o modernong bagay makikita ang microchip, kundi ikinakabit na rin sa mga hayop. Dito sa Santa Ana Racing Park, karamihan sa mga kumakarerang kabayo, meron ng microchip. 12 to 18 millimeters ang sukat ng microchip na inilalagay sa hayop. Malaki lang ng kaunti sa butil ng palay.
Mas mabilis ang identification. Hindi na titingin pa sila doon sa documents ng kabayo para ma-identify yung kabayo.
Nitong nakaraang Martes, nasaksihan namin ang aktwal na pag-implant ng microchip sa kanilang mga pangarera. Pupunasan muna ng alkohol ang itaas na parte ng kaliwang leeg ng kabayo. Saka aahitan ang bahaging lalagyan ng chip. Sunod na in-inject ang hiringgilya na may lamang microchip. Ipupwesto ito sa ilalim ng balat ng kabayo. Sa pamamagitan ng scanner, madidetect ang 15-digit identification number ng bawat kabayo. At ang lahat ng impormasyong nakuha tungkol sa kabayo, i-encode sa computer. Si Lito, trainer ng kabayo, napadali raw ang kanyang trabaho dahil sa microchip.
Namomonitor niya yung mga temperature ng kabayo. Kasi kami dito, nag-monitor ng temperature para malaman kung may sinat o lagnat para hindi na may ensayo. Mas masama kasi kung may ensayo siya na may sinat.
Sa ganitong sistema, madadagdagan daw ang oras ng pag-iensayo ng kanyang kabayo. Pero ang pinaka-kontrobersyal na sigurong microchip, yung inilalagay mismo sa katawan ng tao. Kung dati sa mga pelikula lang ito nakikita, ngayon, ginagawa na sa totoong buhay. Sa YouTube, merong mga video ng aktwal na pag-i-implant ng microchip sa tao. Ginagawa raw ito para malaman ang estado ng kalusugan ng isang pasyente, bagamat mariin itong tinututulan ng mga eksperto.
For now of our special coverage here tonight, life in the U.S. in 10 years' time. By that time, there may be all kinds of new ways to safeguard and identify all those things that make each of us unique, our faces, even our fingerprints, even our eyes. Here now with more on the future of technology, NBC's Tom Costello.
The year is 2017. You're rushed to a hospital unconscious with no ID or medical history, but thanks to a microchip under your skin, it's all there. Science fiction 20 years ago, but a biometric reality today. Researchers predict big changes for consumers.
I think it is possible to free us completely of our wallets and keys using biometric technology, if that's what people want in 10 years' time.
In fact, it's already here. The latest home security locks use fingerprints to control deadbolts. And at the Jewel Osco grocery store in Chicago, some customers pay using their fingerprints. No paper or plastic.
You don't really need anything other than your hand, and you already got that with you.
So will future department stores scan our irises, like in the movie Minority Report, then offer products catered to who we are?
Hello, Mr. Yakamoto. Welcome back to the Gap.
Experts say that technology is here now. The challenge is to safeguard our privacy in a brave new world.
It's the answer spoken by young and old, rich and poor, rich and poor, rich and poor.
And he caused all, both small and great, rich and poor, free and bond, to receive a mark in their right hand or in their foreheads, and that no man might buy or sell save he that had the mark or the name of the beast or the number of his name.
I've said it before, I will say it again. We can't balance the budget on the backs of the very people who have borne the biggest brunt of this recession. Everyone's going to have to chip in. Everyone's going to have to chip in. Everyone's going to have to chip in.
Well, it looks and sounds like something out of the future, but a new palm scanning device will help Bossier Parish schools keep better track of what children are eating there.
It also improves accuracy as well as security, because in some cases a student might obtain another student's ID and swipe it and actually take money off of their card. This prevents that with a swipe of a hand. With a swipe of a hand. With a swipe of a hand.
And that system will go online over the next 6 weeks. Money for the program was already allocated in the budget. Parents can opt out.
Here is wisdom. Let him that hath understanding count the number of the beast. For it is the number of a man, and his number is 666.
It's been a long time coming, but tonight, because of what we did on this day, in this election, at this defining moment, change has come to America.
Welcome to the day of wonders, Coral Stone. I've been waiting for you.
Where am I?
Well, it's a little bit like heaven. Only better.
Look who it is, Maggie.
Daddy, Daddy, we miss you, Daddy, we miss you.
Don't abandon us again, Doris. You've got to open your mind this time and listen to him. It's the only way.
And now, you will pay the price. Not even your God can save you.
He already has. The day of wonders. You make the world worship you or die.
Very touching. Goodbye, Thor.